Howdy Wall Street Wooly. What are stocks? Stocks, also called equities, are one of the most popular types of investments. When you buy a company's stock, you're buying a small piece of that company, which makes you a shareholder. This means you have a claim on the company's assets if it goes bankrupt in proportion to the stock you own. Shareholders get privileges such as voting on the company's decisions and a share of the company's profit in the form of dividends. Companies issue stock to raise capital for various purposes, such as expanding their operations, launching new products, or refinancing debt. Stocks are traded on stock exchanges, like the NYSE or NASDAQ in the US, and their prices fluctuate based on various factors. As the value of the company rises or falls, so does the value of its stock. Are there different types of stocks? There are two main types of stocks. Common stocks are the most popular. They give shareholders voting rights and dividends. However, if the company declares bankruptcy, common stockholders are the last ones to get paid. Preferred stocks are like a combination of common stocks and bonds. Preferred stockholders usually don't have voting rights, but receive fixed dividends. They are also paid before common shareholders if the company goes bankrupt. The most important difference is that common stock is riskier but has a higher profit potential. Preferred stock is safer, but the upside is limited. Stocks can also be classified as growth, value, or income stocks. Growth stocks are expected to grow at a much faster rate than the market average. People buy them for a higher capital appreciation, for example, tech startups. Value stocks trade at a price lower than what they are worth. Investors find value in investing in them as they are bound to appreciate in the future since the company's fundamentals are strong, for example, a stable, well-established bank. Income stocks, also called dividend stocks, are companies that pay regular dividends. They are seen as a steady and predictable source of income by investors, for example, an established utility company. Why do people invest in stocks? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Wooly. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.